Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn Class 8 Subject Chemistry Chapter Phosphorus, and this is our part 5. In this part we will learn many things. First of all, in previous part we have learned about allotropes. Physical properties of white and red phosphorus. Now we will start with the uses of phosphorus. We will start with uses of phosphorus. Uses of phosphorus. So, first is zinc phosphide, Zn3P2. That is in rat poison. Second is phosphorus plus plus tin. This is in alloys. These metals are in alloy. And third one is manufacture of hypophosphites, phosphorus chloride and phosphoric acid in chemical industry. Fourth one is match industry. That is like red phosphorus, head of matchstick, potassium chlorate, KClO3 plus antimony sulfide, Sb2S3 plus gum. Striking surface is red phosphorus plus Sb2S3 plus gunpowder. Fifth one is bombs, smoke screen, fireworks. These are used in explosives. After that, we will learn principle of lighting a matchstick. After that, when the matchstick is struck, the red phosphorus on the side of the box ignites the antimony sulfide on the tip of the matchstick, and the potassium chlorate gives oxygen for burning. This is a chemical reaction. After that, the next topic is compounds of phosphorus. Compounds of phosphorus. The preparation is phosphorus when burnt in air or oxygen catches fire and forms dense white fumes of phosphorus pentoxide. The reaction formed is 4P plus 5O2 gives 2P2O5. Properties: reaction with phosphorus pentoxide with water. Reaction of phosphorus pentoxide with water. Phosphorus pentoxide has very high affinity towards water. First, it dissolves in cold water to form metaphosphoric acid, HPO3. The reaction formed is P2O5 plus H2O, that gives 2HPO3. Second is with hot water it gives phosphoric acid H3PO4. The reaction formed is P2O5 plus 3H2O gives 2H3PO4. Now the uses. First is it is used as drying agent since it has great affinity to water. Second is it is used in the preparation of phosphoric acid. P2O5 plus 3H2O gives 2H3PO4. Second is phosphoric acid. Preparation is phosphoric acid is also known as orthophosphoric acid. First, it is manufactured by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid on calcium phosphate Ca3PO42 plus 3H2SO4 gives 3CaSO4 plus 2H3PO4. The calcium sulfate is insoluble and is filtered off. The solution is evaporated at 140 degrees Celsius to get crystals of phosphoric acid. Second is red phosphorus on heating with nitric acid in 1:1 ratio gives phosphoric acid. Third point is it is also prepared by dissolving phosphorus pentoxide in hot water. Next it is properties of phosphoric acid. Properties. First point, phosphoric acid is a tribasic acid. Second point, phosphoric acid is a second point is it contains 3 replaceable hydrogen atoms. Therefore, it reacts with 1, 2 or 3 molecules of sodium hydroxide NaOH and gives different phosphates. First, with 1 molecule NaOH plus H3PO4 gives NaH2PO4 sodium dihydrogen phosphate. Second point, with 2 molecules 2 NaOH plus H3PO4 gives 2H2O plus Na2HPO4. Third point is with 3 molecules 3 NaOH plus H3PO4 gives 3H2O plus Na3PO4. Next is uses of phosphoric acid. Uses. So there are many uses. But we will learn that uses of phosphoric acid and third point of superphosphate of lime. We will learn these points and some solved questions in part 6. And part 6 will be the last part of this chapter, phosphorus. Then we will end this chapter. Till that, I hope you have understood till this. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 6. Thank you.